Hey everyone, how's it going? So I haven't drawn many level 40 dinosaurs in a while, so I thought it'd be fun to show you one today. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a level 40 Carnotaurus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Carnotaurus, we're going to begin with the eye. I'm going to start right about here, and we're going to make a line that's just going to come down, and then we're going to bring it back like this. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here for the eye. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down, and then we're going to bring it down again. And then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and we're going to bring it down to here. Next, we're going to bring this down. We're going to come up and down again. Bring this line out and then down. Then we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to come down at an angle. We're going to come down and up for the chin. And then we're going to curve this up for the jaw. We'll curve this line down for the back of the mouth. And then right along here, we're going to make some long pointed V shapes for some teeth. And then we're going to make some pointy little triangle shapes down here. I'm going to curve a line down. We're going to come up and down here. And then right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down. We're going to make a little line down here for the nose and a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over and down, over and down. Then we're going to make a couple more little lines that go over and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and down. And we're going to bring this back to here to a point, and we're going to come back. I'll make a couple more little curved lines here for the neck, and I'm going to bring this up. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then in. Now the arms on our Carnotaurus are very small. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then out at an angle. And then we're just going to make a couple little claws on here like this. Then I'm going to bring this over and then up again. We'll do another one over here. We're going to come out, and I'm going to put a couple little claws on here. Then I'm going to bring this down, and we're going to come over towards the body. Next, we're going to come down and up. Now for the legs, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to angle it back. And then we're going to bring it down here. Make a line that's going to come down to a point and back, and then one more here. Make another one that's going to come down to a point and then over. Next, we're going to bring this up and over. I'm going to curve this in. Now I'm going to curve this one around. Then I'm going to bring this back to here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to angle a line that's going to come down here to a point and back up. And we're going to put another point right here. I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to put a little claw here. And we're going to bring this up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come up to a point and then back for one of the horns. And then I'm going to make another one that's going to come up here and then down for another horn. I'm going to put some spikes right across the back here. We're going to make them kind of small at first, and then they're going to gradually get bigger and bigger as they come right along the back here. And then we're going to start making them get smaller and smaller. And we'll just continue these all the way down the tail, just these nice little triangle shapes. Now, here's our basic shape of our level 40 Carnotaurus. Now we want to come in here and add some of the details. Now, one of the things it has is it's going to have a big claw on the back of its legs, and that's going to have a couple smaller ones as well. We'll put some curved lines on here, and a couple more little curved lines here. We're going to add some little curved lines right around the arms and legs, and a couple more on here. We'll add some little lines right here on the mouth. And then we'll curve a line right here by the eye. And then we're going to make a little indentation line here and a couple more little broken lines right around here. We'll make some little curved lines here, and a few right around here too. I'm also going to make some little long broken lines here, and a couple more here. Now, our Carnotaurus also has some really kind of crazy little stripes on here. So we're just going to make some of these little kind of wiggly lines on here just to make some different little stripes and whatnot on here. So they're just going to be not quite like tiger or zebra stripes. They're going to be kind of all over the place. And we're just going to kind of fill these up here. I'm also going to put a few on the legs too. And we're going to put a couple on the arms too. And we'll put a few right inside of the body here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a level 40 Carnotaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.